Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this BMW X3, the F25 model, I think it is, and it's a 2014, and I'm going to be changing the pollen filters in the car. So these are for the inside of the car, and then we have these here which are situated under the bonnet. So we have a little instructions here. It says here under the bonnet there are two filters, pollen filters, and then inside of the car where the glove box is, open the glove box, remove that little cover, remove that cover, and pull the filters. So there's two filters here for the inside and two for the outside. So we're gonna see how that looks, and I'm gonna start with the ones under the bonnet. So obviously if you get your bonnet open, now if you're in the UK, the diagram is showing that side, but in the UK it would be this side, because this is a right-hand drive. So anyway, we leave that bit of rubber there. We'll move that a little bit to one side because we need to press this clip here and take this cover out. Then we have this other cover, and we want to again unclip it there and take this out. So with these, when you're taking it out, it kind of gets a little bit stuck. This bit gets stuck on the back, so if you put your hand in there you can lift it up a little bit and take it out. The next thing will be to, if you open these clips, I've already opened them, this clip here, this one, there is 4 of them. Open the clips and you will be able to pull this part of the filter. So this will come loose basically, and we just need to push this one back as well and get it out. Here we are. So we can get this pollen filter out. You can see this pollen filter is sort of attached together, and let's just make a note of the arrows here. The airflow is going down, so something to bear in mind when you fit your new one. Take that out. Now you may notice these ones here, so I just want to make sure I keep them in how I remove them so I remember. This is a genuine part from BMW 64319312317. It's a MAN filter, and BMW normally uses MAN filters. So this particular one is an active carbon filter, which is a pollen filter, but it's also filters things like bacteria and that kind of thing. Unlike the one that I've got, the Bosch one, is not an active carbon filter, it's just a pollen filter. So it's a little bit more flimsy, but it still takes care of pollen, but it doesn't take care of like bacteria kind of things. So to put this one, arrow, you can see the arrows going down, and we can just get that in there. Have to sort of maneuver it a little bit around. Okay, that's it. That's basically how it's going to go in, just like that. Now we need to clip it back on. there's some kind of specific way of doing this, or what's going on. Okay, clip those two there, and now try and get this one on here as well. Okay, got them all clipped. And then we have this cover. Again, you may have to try and push it up a little bit here in order to get it back in there. Okay. And then you need to clip it down here as well, like so. And then we have this cover, which goes there, and it clips back on there, and the rest is fairly simple. I'm just going to leave it open because I want to clean in here a little bit where the spiders are living. But you can see it just clips back on there, that goes back on, and this rubber goes back on there, and that's it. And now we're going to have a look at the one in the glove box. Right, I just wanted to get a light, but basically we open our glove box here, and we have that little door here, and then we have another type of So technically there is two of them, and I think the other one is sitting there, literally here. So also make a note of the arrows, so you know wherever the arrows are. Just here, I don't know if there's any arrows on this one actually, but there might be one just here. Right, anyway, but this one has arrows, you can see just there. The diagram that we had was also showing that there are some arrows. Right, what I understand from the diagram is that the arrows will be like in this position, So let's try and get these filters up here now. If I'm wrong, let me know. Okay, that's it. way. Let's make sure this clip back on. Right, and that's it really. Now I think this might be, I think these are just normal pollen filters as well, and these are Valeo ones, again BMW ones, and the part number is there. It's 641192511189, made in Mexico, 2014. So this has been there, so it basically hasn't been changed. That's why so they're looking a bit black. So anyway, now they're done. So the ones I used are the Bosch ones here. That's for the little ones, and that's for the bigger ones, M2242. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and if you have any comments or any suggestions regarding the arrows or the positions of the airflow for this, just let me know. I may have to switch them around, obviously, because I can't see any arrows on these ones, to be honest, and they do have an F there. I don't know what that means, is it? But anyway, somebody will know, and you can let me know, and if I put them the correct way, then give me the thumbs up. Thank you for watching.